Hey, First Baptist family, this is Pastor Cody, and I am in Indianapolis, Indiana, representing you as a messenger to our Southern Baptist Convention. It's been a good convention so far. Only one business session this morning, but it was also the time where we send and appoint and celebrate our missionaries that are being sent out, 83 missionaries that your Lottie Moon dollars support, cooperative program dollars support. Pray for these missionaries. Pray for us as we continue to handle the business of the convention over the next couple of days. Wanted to let you know that this coming Sunday, June the 16th, we will have a time at the end of both of our services where we install the 6 men who were overwhelmingly approved to be elders in our church during each of our services. And so it's going to be a wonderful time of prayer and celebration of these men and their lives, their faithfulness to lead and to teach in our church, to give shepherding care to our people, to lead with spiritual wisdom and with authority in the church. And so we know that it's summertime. We know that a lot of people are traveling. We also know that it's Father's Day. But it's going to be a special time. And so I hope that you'll pray for these men, and I hope that you'll be in church on Sunday for this significant moment in the life of our church in both of these services. It will also be the last Sunday that I will be preaching to you for the next couple of months. And so I look forward to being there with you, being a part of this special service. We'll see you on Sunday.